Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a new video sponsored by ESR. I'll be taking a detailed look at the new Aura MagSafe wallet for iPhone. At first glance, the packaging gives off a premium vibe with this matte finish and clean design. On the back we have some key features. This wallet can hold all your essential cards and also be used as a stand for your iPhone. Inside the box we've got a quick start guide that gives you some info about the wallet. I also like that the wallet itself is nicely wrapped inside. Straight out of the packaging, I have to say I absolutely love the colour of this wallet. This is in the colour bubblegum pink. The sleek and minimal design gives the wallet a premium look and feel. And even when you close it, there's a satisfying snap. The stitching along the edges adds a nice detail to the overall design. The wallet is made from high quality vegan leather that's eco-friendly. It's super soft to the touch and feels smooth and comfortable in the hand. The Aura wallet comes in a variety of different colours. Here are 3 of them: cream beige, bubblegum pink and lavender. Here's some close-up shots of the cream beige and lavender wallets. Each colour features different textures showcasing ESR's attention to detail in their design. There's plenty of variety to choose from to suit your style. One of the standout features of this wallet is the powerful magnetic strength. It's 4 times stronger than the average MagSafe wallet. I did a couple of strength tests to see how strong the magnet is, and impressively the wallet stayed on and didn't even budge. In the second test I really tried to throw the wallet off, but it stayed firmly in place. The strong magnetic hold means that it can keep your essentials secure and give you peace of mind when you're out and about. You can see that it really takes a lot of intentional force to remove the wallet from the phone. Designed for convenience, this wallet makes accessing your cards and ID quick and effortless. You can easily remove your card with a thumb slot. The ESR wallet can hold up to 5 cards while staying compact, slim and lightweight. It's perfect to carry around for daily use. As you can see, even from the side profile, it stays compact with all the cards and is still really comfortable to hold. I love that the wallet easily adjusts to different viewing angles. Its strong, durable hinge keeps it sturdy as a stand and is tested for over 8,000 uses, ensuring reliability. You can also switch between portrait and landscape mode easily, which is perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. I'm heading out today, so let's pack my accessories. I'm going with the pink wallet because it matches my iPhone and favourite essentials perfectly. It's the weekend, so we've decided to head out to a cafe for coffee and a big breakfast. I'm going to be catching up on the show Arcane on Netflix. I'm actually really excited to watch the 2nd season. And with the ESR wallet, I love that I can just easily prop up the phone to watch my TV shows at any time. After breakfast, I decided to do a bit of quick shopping. Paying with the ESR wallet was so convenient and super quick. Just slide the card out of the front pocket and you're good to go. When I got home, I had a bit of work to do, so I got my iPad out and set up my phone side by side. This was perfect as my afternoon setup. It is great for staying productive anywhere in the house. With some work out of the way, it was time for some lunch and to continue watching Arcane. It was so simple to switch back to landscape mode to keep watching. Overall, the ESR wallet is extremely versatile. It combines style, functionality and durability. With its sleek design, reliable magnetic hold and flexible stand, it's perfect for everyday use. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.